How to get personalized financial recommendations on Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the Recommendations or Insight section. This is where Credit Karma offers personalized financial advice based on credit profile. Credit Karma analyzes your credit report, credit score, and financial habits to suggest tailored recommendations. These might include tips on improving credit score, reducing debt, finding better credit cards, or refinancing loans. Take time to review the recommendations carefully. Each suggestion comes with clear explanations and actionable steps to help you improve your financial health. You can also explore offers such as credit cards, loans, and saving accounts that match your profile, making it easier to choose products suited to your needs. Remember to check this section regularly as Credit Karma updates recommendations based on changes to your credit and financial activity. Now you know how to get personalized financial recommendations on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.